to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Hey, in the background, what you'll see here is we have built the wire partition around our conveyor area because after we paint product, it'll go upstairs and take a lap around the building to dry and then come back down. Now, you've also seen our powder coat facility, and that's totally separate from the wet paint area. So what we did here is we built wire partition that looks like what you would see around a stairway. So we've got the solid panels, wire mesh panels about 8 foot high, and then it goes up at a diagonal. So you can see that we can make beveled panels. We have a triangular panel. And we've got the custom capabilities to do all of this. So if you're trying to enclose a stairway area to get more storage underneath, or you've got a conveyor area that you need to secure, we can help you with the custom panels like we have here. So that's all we got this week. We'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.